Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. Last year I got this lantern at AC Moore and I haven't done anything with it until now. And I made it into the snow themed Christmas display. I made it so all the things could come out when I'm ready to change it over for another season, such as maybe a beach theme in the summer. But right now I'm really liking the way that this looks for the holidays. Keep watching if you want to see how I put it all together. If you enjoy watching arts and craft videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload something new. Feel free to follow me and tag me with related content on Instagram. My profile name there is SaggyCat, after a sweet cat named Sagittarius. AC Moore had this great, fantastic sale on these lanterns, and I just couldn't wait to get one. I picked a larger one in the ivory color, and for the longest time I've been wanting to decorate it. However, I was so bummed when I got it home and I discovered that one of the glass panes had busted out during transport. Well, instead of getting a piece of glass that's cut to fit, which would really defeat the purpose of buying this lantern on sale, I decided to work with this and I moved that back piece to the side. I decided to use this chalkboard from Halloween, and I got this chalkboard from the Dollar Tree and it's a perfect width. And the height's a little short, but that's going to work out perfectly for this project. I wanted to experiment with some stencils and chalk to see if I would like how it looks on this chalkboard that's going to be in the background. But then I decided it's better to go ahead and just hand draw some snowflakes and show you how I did that. I experimented with dampening the chalkboard slightly where I planned on drawing, and it actually helped the chalk to stick a lot better. So I took a slightly damp cloth and I erased it, and I went in a swirl pattern to create a little bit of a dust swirl on the back to make it look more like a blizzard background. Drawing a snowflake by hand is one of the easiest things ever, and there's no artistic talent required. You start out just drawing a 6-point star like what's on your phone, and then whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. And if you do this all the way around, you can pretty much add any kind of shape, lines, designs that you want, and you're going to have a beautiful original snowflake. And then just add some simple white dots for the background snowflakes, make them of various sizes, and then voila, you have a chalkboard drawing of a blizzard. To make this chalkboard stand at the height that I needed, I'm taking 2 large craft sticks that I got from Walmart, and I'm trimming them down to the size that I need, and I'm going to glue these on the back of the chalkboard, and that way the chalkboard will stand at the right height, and it will leave a gap either at the top or bottom, whichever way I put it in, and then I will have a way to insert battery operated or plug-in lights through the back. And here I'm just hot gluing a small craft stick, which is the perfect size, and it's going to go across here so that the tabs inside the lantern have something to hold on to keep the chalkboard in place. And then I decided to paint the back side with this ivory chalk paint just to have everything match. Here I'm showing you how I created this beautiful ribbon swag to put on the front with a clip-on magnet. I'm taking several pieces of ribbon about 18 inches to 24 inches long, and I'm layering them at different areas so they're not all layered evenly, and then some of them are overlapping, and then I pinched it off kind of toward the end, about 3/4 of the way toward one end, and then I tied them in the middle with some floral wire, and now I'm just trimming the ends at various lengths with different patterns, like some will be in points and some will have that fishtail end. Here I'm just manipulating and twisting the pieces to get them to look exactly how I want. I'm wrapping a scrap piece of ribbon around the top just to have it look neater in the back. Next, I'm gluing on this fabric snowflake from the Dollar Tree. I decided after the fact that this ribbon needed a little more excitement, so I just tied on some silver mesh ribbon to add to it. And now I'm just adding some stick-on rhinestones that I got at the craft section at Walmart. I'm pretty sure I did, or some craft store, but these are pretty adhesive enough that I don't even need glue for this. So here are some pieces that I decided to put in this lantern display. Here's a sled I got from Dollar Tree. Here's a piece I made last year. It's a little bit of an ornament or wall hanging, however you want to look at it. A simple soft white cloth. Here I'm just taking some snowflake LED lights from the Dollar Tree and I'm pulling them through the bottom of the back side of this lantern. Some Dollar Tree LED lights have tiny screws on the battery pack, so you may need a tiny screwdriver. I decided to use some of that snowflake garland that I used on the wreath that I had made to wrap around these lights. This soft white automotive cloth came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just tucking all the ends in all the seams and making a billowy, snowy ground. The lights and garland are held in suspension with some clip-on magnets in the top. I realized this pine cone was just a little too tall to be in the front, so I twisted it off of this piece, and I'll be replacing it with a cute little piece in its place. I'm taking this snowman hat ornament and I'm just going to tie a little bow with some pipe cleaner to that ornament top piece and then hot glue it back on, and then hot glue some magnets on the bottom. I decided to add a little bit of snow texture with some white chalk paint and a stencil brush to the outside glass. I decided to dry brush the top here and there just to add a little bit of the look of accumulated snow. like today's video, I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up, comment on, and share this video with everyone that you know. Also, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. You'll find my social media links in the description below. Again, I'm SD Kelly, and I thank you for watching.